Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are keeping well in this really tough situation, and love to all my kids. Keep watching for interesting videos and keep commenting. Today we will be learning alphabets, the English alphabets. But for the recognition part, you need to be a little more patient with them. Like at the beginning, I suggest you take at least 4 letters and practice with them for 1 week. Let them get a proper image of those 4 letters properly. Then only move on to the next 4 letters. I'll always show you some cost-friendly materials and I'll show you how to make things with it. I've already made some flashcards for the children with those waste materials, with those hard cardboards of any cartons which I had previously collected. So these are the flashcards I have made. Start with the letter A. Now, as you can see in this flashcard, the letter A is written prominently with bright colors and big in size, big enough for the children to recognize it. And along with that, I have pasted a picture of an apple. So first we will say this is A, and the sound of a letter is also very important. Whenever you are starting to teach with the English alphabets to your children, always start with the sounds also. Along with the letter, you also teach them the sounds. That is very important. So once you start practicing the alphabet sounds along with the alphabets, one day your kid will start telling, Mama, apple. Then and. So that is the time of your achievement. You may achieve that a few weeks later after you start practicing the alphabet along with the alphabet sounds. So moving on to B, and the sound of B is B. B, ball. Suppose you are serving breakfast to your child one day with bread and butter, and your kid starts telling, Mama, butter, bread. How will you feel? It's a great achievement as a parent when they start to recognize words and letters like this. So keep on practicing all these 4 letters and their sounds, which I'll show today, for at least 1 week. After that, we'll repeat again, but we'll start new letters from the second week, and in between we'll repeat the previous ones also. So we'll move on to the letter C. This is C. The sound of C is K. Cat. Similarly, the letter D. The sound of letter D is D. Duck. Duck. So these 4 letters will be sufficient for the kid for 1 week to practice. Just sit with them for a few minutes and keep on practicing the alphabet and recognition and their sounds as well with that. I have got a big book on alphabets and phonics. So here you have all the alphabets written in capital letters as well as in small letters. Though we'll not emphasize on the small letters at the beginning, we'll just teach them the capital letters at the beginning, and along with that the picture and of course the sound. A, apple. A, aeroplane. A, alien. A, aquarium. And we have B, banana. B, butterfly. B, books. B, biscuits. C, cat. C, cat. C, cake. C, camera. C, computer. D, doll. D, doll. D, deer. D, dice. D, drum. Now we'll be doing an activity on the alphabets so that the little kids can explore with the letters, and they can paint, and they can get to know more about the letters. I have made some stencils like this. You just put simple dots and they will trace on this. We will require some colors for this. Any kind of poster colors, acrylic colors, any water-based colors you can take. And we require some earbuds for this. And now I'll start with the craft directly, and some felt pens are also required for some markings and some labelings. And I'll start directly with the activity, and keep enjoying with your kid, and always encourage your kids to do it on their own. Don't always hold their hands and make them do. Just you do one and let her do the second one. Let her explore in her own manner. She may not put it properly on the dress, but you do one correct one for her and let her explore with the colors and this buds. Dip this bud in the color and start giving dots on the alphabets. Yes, just like this. Let them enjoy. Show them that we will do this on the dotted lines. So this way I have already traced the letter A. Now we'll trace the ant. Keep on talking to the little one so that they get interested, and whatever they're doing, just keep on encouraging them. Very good work. Yes, Mama is very happy with you. Keep on doing this. We are enjoying this activity together. So now we are painting ant. Ant. Very nice, dear. So we have done ant today. B, banana. C, carrot. And D, drum. So friends, hope you enjoyed today's activity, and I'm sure your little ones will enjoy them a lot too. Keep practicing the alphabet and alphabet sounds for this whole week, and let me know in the comment section how they're reacting to all this. And I hope you have already watched my video on how to start homeschooling for children. Otherwise, the link will be provided in this, and those who are new to my channel, please go through that video too for a fresh startup. Till then, goodbye, see you soon, and keep subscribing and like and share my channel.